Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Maker on PC. First, understand that playing console games on a computer requires an emulator, which mimics the original hardware. Your PC needs sufficient processing power and graphics capabilities for a smooth experience. Make sure your operating system and drivers are current to avoid any compatibility issues. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to get started. To begin, you'll need to choose a suitable Wii U emulator. Cemu is a popular and well-regarded option for playing Wii U titles on PC. Always download the emulator software directly from its official website to ensure you get the legitimate and most up-to-date version. After downloading, follow the installation wizard carefully to set up the program on your computer. Next, you'll need the Super Mario Maker game files. It is crucial to obtain these legally, for example, from a game you already own. Once you have the files, open your emulator and adjust its settings. Focus on graphics and input configurations to optimize performance and visual quality. Finally, map your keyboard or a compatible controller for the best playing experience. With everything set up, you can now load Super Mario Maker within your emulator and dive into the action. Enjoy creating and playing an endless variety of levels designed by a global community. It's a fantastic way to experience the game with enhanced graphics and custom controls. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed during your gaming sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.